What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. My name is Eboh, in case you don't know, and in today's video I am currently in Abia, and right beside me is my friend Mr. Ray, when I'm brought up here in Abia. And today together we are going to be driving around Abia to show you guys how Abia City, Abia City, sorry, not the capital. Umuahia is the capital city of Abia State. So Abia City is a city in one of the cities in Abia State. Actually, the most commercial city and the biggest city in Abia State. So today we are going to be driving around the city.
Not
to show you.
Biggest. I think Umuahia is actually.
Umuahia is the biggest city.
Yeah, we have to go the way. That's the way to do.
All right, so that's what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be driving around to show you guys how the city looks like. So stay tuned, be entertained as we drive around Abia City. Okay, so we move. Basically, guys, as you can see that the roads are quite very empty. So today is Saturday, and it's actually clean up the last Saturday of the month. So every last Saturday of the month in the eastern part of Nigeria is always clean up. So time to clean up the city, and as you can see, the road is empty. So I'm actually trying to bring another look of Abia City to you guys. Good morning. Yeah, I'm actually a vlogger, so I'm making a video about the city to showcase how the city looks like during the sanitation. So I'm a private vlogger and a journalist.
Any identification?
No, I don't have my
Officer,
identification.
Can I hear please?
I'm a vlogger, I'm a private vlogger. So what I do is like I vlog about cities. So today I'm vlogging about Abia, just to showcase the surroundings and everything is.
Hey, papaya!
So opposite there is the Abia Town Hall that was actually bombed during the actually set ablaze during the NSAS protests.
Okay.
Okay, and finally they've let us through.
Yeah, finally. So these guys are the guys making sure that people don't go about.
Yes, let's go straight.
People don't go. People don't go about, living what they're supposed to be doing.
Abia South local government headquarters, and straight down this way is the Abia Main Park where cars board, and from here people travel to all over the country, nationwide. Actually, when I was in January, the bus to here always
this is where you take the bus.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, as you can see, people, I thought they are supposed to be cleaning the city.
This is Nigeria for
While
you.
some are playing football, soccer at the middle of the road. That is uncommon.
This is actually a very, very busy period or busy place. If not for the cleanup, this would be a very, very busy place. You won't even see way to pass through or something sort of that way.
So this road now is blocked. I can't tell who is in charge. And if you look forward, you can see some military men. I think they're the ones that blocked the road. So ahead of us. And you can see by my right hand side, there's a lot of people ready to go by their businesses. So they are waiting for that time. I think the ending time is 11 o'clock.
Yeah, 11 a.m.
So after 11 o'clock, then people can, are now free to move around the city or
go about your normal business.
Yeah, go about your businesses, exactly. So as it seems now, it's like we are stuck here, and it seems there's nothing we can do about it.
So should we then take a U-turn and try using the other lane?
Another route, right? I think that's what we are going to do. We are coming again. This one is different. There's a lot of forces, tax collectors here in Abia. As I can see, so many groups with different uniforms.
just a few minutes to go. About 9 minutes, and
so basically, guys, I think we have to wait because I'm thinking like making a U-turn. So guys, here we are. We move. So Mr. Ray, where are we right now?
This is Asa Road. Gadgets are being sold here, laptops, gadgets, electronics, so on and so forth.
It's known for electronics.
Yeah.
Is there any other items you sell there apart from electronics?
Phone repairers and all that, laptops. Depends on what you want actually.
We're still in Asa Road, right?
No.
Sorry. Idiot. Open a memory, you know, sorry guys, don't mind my words. Sometimes these people can be very annoying, you know. So guys, as you can see that the roads are being cleaned up. Some people are sweeping while some people are packing the rubbish out from the road. So like I really commend Abia people for doing so, you know. Abia is not what it used to be because I know there is this knowledge or this idea that Abia is a very dirty place and this and that, but as you can see by yourself,
On your left is CKC, the Catholic Cathedral, Christ the King Cathedral.
so by my left hand side you can see the cathedral here, CKC by name. It's the Catholic one, right?
Yeah, Christ the King Cathedral.
Any idea the name of this road?
If I'm not confused, this is still Asa Road.
Asa Road, right?
Yeah.
Asa Road, that's a very sexy name for an Abia road.
Asa, Asa.
Ọgapụta n'ụzọ ka m gafee.
That's a good time. Open the
Ọ chọ ka m banye na gota.
Let me dig it too bad.
Onye ọ na-anya moto ma onye dị na moto.
Actually, but then we see I bust out to Ngwa Road.
Okay, yeah, that one would be nice too. Ụzọ agara dị ya.
All the time I can use another.
Ụzọ agara. Unless I can just go this one.
Because Kote say I bus out to Ngwa Road.
Ngwa Road. When I got to Kota, my road is straight on Ngwa Road.
Okay. Also.
Road is around. Road is very tana. Straight.
By straight. Okay. Thank you very much. Because I was sure that we can connect from Ngwa Road from here.
So guys, we want to make a U-turn. We actually want to connect from Asa Road to Ngwa
because all the can go straight down Port Harcourt Road.
Okay.
If we are moving this way that we are going before is Port Harcourt Road, we can still try there, but the road is still under construction and because it's been very, very bad for a long time.
Okay.
So it was under construction. So let's go start.
From that Ngwa Road, we can still bust out to that market area. Is that possible? Or we are still going to go through this road again?
No, we'll post out to another route, yeah. That would be a problem. So now we're in Ngwa Road.
Okay.
It's very, very popular Ngwa Road. Everybody look at that now.
So guys, the popular Ngwa Road. Is it a rugged area?
Very, 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 very.
Very, very rugged.
Yeah, but people are getting civilized and no one wants to be the bad egg anymore. So things are changing, but Ngwa Road is still Ngwa Road.
This guy sang this road. What's it called? Rough Coin. Seems like he's from this hood.
Not too sure.
That song he sang in Abia. He made mention of places in Abia. But he also mentioned Ngwa Road. Even Fox. There's a Fox Road, right?
Yeah. Fox Road is the road that leads to Abia. We still touch down there a little bit and have a drive through. So that Ngwa Road is bad. It's not actually this main road. There are other streets inside. You understand?
Okay.
There are streets that are not yet tarred. That are still muddy and all that. So but all are still Ngwa Road.
Abba, in terms of the housing. The houses are well arranged and all that, but I think one of the things they are lacking is cleaning. Should try as much as exactly. You should try as much as possible to keep it clean because from my own observation, the buildings are here and we are arranged. So even sometimes when I do my drone videos, area view, I can see from above that things are planned. It's like a planned city, just that it's populated and there is a lot of rubbish. So they should do more by cleaning it up as often as they can. So I understand the fact that very serious with the cleanup. I think very serious more than Anambra State and other states I've been to.
But they clean our village.
My mother carried Afan as well as businesses. There's a lot of business, there's a lot of markets here. So they really need a strong hand, a strong and effective, hand, or let me say government to tackle some of the challenges. I know not all the things that the government should be doing, but government should also help in facing these challenges. especially by providing a lot of all these recycle bin around, employ a lot of people to take care of the roads, clean and also take out rubbish.
This is Abia for you. Even a little while.
That's what I saw. A very, really business place. Everywhere, the streets, and all those things. So we're still in Ungwaro, right?
Yeah.
I believe so. Guys, this is a barrack. Where are we now?
This is actually Good Morning Market.
Good Morning Market.
Yeah, Good Morning Market. One of the new markets. I can't remember, but the road has been actually tarred, and some people has moved their markets to this Good Morning Market, and you can actually connect from this place because if you watch, we are back there is Mungwa Road.
Yeah.
So from Mungwa Road, you can actually connect very easily to Eboh Hill through this road. I heard they call this what Jews or Kalu Bridge. I'm not actually too sure, but this is the easiest route to connect for someone who is living in Mungwa Road to connect to Eboh Hill very, very easily. And as you can see, the slaughter is over there. There is slaughter over here. There is also
slaughter left and right.
It's a very, very busy kind of busy place. Yeah.
No wonder there is so many people here. Okay, that's a slaughter. These people that normally buy blood, cow blood, what do they use it for?
I can't actually say. I'm not too sure. I've never bought. I've never actually.
Guys, let me know if you have any idea. Like, what do they people like? Sometimes I've been to a slaughterhouse a couple of times, and I've seen people. They're only interested in buying the cow's blood. So, what do they use the cow blood for? Let me know at the comment section. I've once heard that when they buy the stuff, they cook it, and the thing will turn back to meat. I know that's funny, right? So I've heard something like that. So let me know if you have any idea about what it's used for. So we're still in Good Road, Good Markets, Good Morning Market.
Yeah,
Good Morning Market.
We've just passed there.
Okay. I think we're heading to Eboh Hill right now, right?
Busting out to Eboh. Yeah, this place is Eboh Street or road. I don't know if it's a street or road, but this Eboh Street over here. So now we are connecting back to over here from. We actually went from Back Road to Asa Road, then bust into Ungwa Road, then straight down Good Morning Market. Then, so if you see, it's a kind of joint like. it just connects. Abba was built in a sort of way that it connects to every place that you actually want to go to.
Okay.
But the problem we are actually having in Abba is that there is no good road network. Like the roads are bad, and when a road gets bad, it's been abandoned, and an alternative is being used, and before you know it, it gets worse and worse till it's just so bad that. But so far so good. So right now we are in Emologu, passing out to should I call it Emologu Junction, where you can connect to Pobo Road, Starline, and lots of it. So we on it, bro. And by the way, all these are still we are in Obingo local government area.
Okay, under Obingo local government.
Yeah, exactly. So at that junction right now is Emologu Junction. The junction straight ahead, which is less than 500 meters, if I'm correct, is Emologu Junction. And when you go to the right, you'll be heading straight down to Starline. And Starline happens to be one of the areas in Abia where there is actually at least steady power supply.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why is it so different? Why them?
Because of there is a company there that actually uses the light, so it's a kind of bonus for them, those who live within the area. So with the influence of the company that actually needs the power supply for the company and one of the running of their businesses, and one of their business in particular.
What that's why. Is it a production company? A company?
I can't actually say. Let me not say what I'm not too sure of. Okay. So right now we are on Pobo Road, and if you keep heading straight down, it's a Starline, Power Line, and is it Omwafo? Am I correct? I'm not too sure. So we'll just go a little bit and then turn back. Please be able to head to other locations. And at the moment right now, this is a very, very big hotcake area, this Starline area, because of the steady power supply that they have, and people have been buying lands in this area because of and the lands keep appreciating because of the steady power supply. At the moment, the land that comes out in a very, very like towards or near the main road side in this area, you can get close to 7 million, 6 million, 5 plots. Yeah, a plot, 7 million, 6 million, 5 million, depending on how close the place is to the main road. So these are St. Dominic Catholic Church here in Federal Housing Estate of Hill, still up Pobo Road, and straight down you can get all these areas are Starline right now. We are now in Starline area. Okay. Then if you move further down by your left, if you enter inside the street, that's a Power Line. So this is Ovom area. Evangel Seminary is also around here. Evangel Seminary is a very, very popular secondary school back then. Those who went to schools around the year 2000 to 2008, 2010, even still now, it's still a very, very popular school. But lots of them who are the OGs can actually relate to Evangel Seminary. It's a very, very popular school back then. Nice. So this is a great message church. Never been there. I don't know what to do inside there, but it's always kept clean at all times. So we cannot take a U-turn, so we can head to other places.
Okay, let's make a U-turn.
Let's make use of our time.
Yeah.
Okay. So once again, these are Emologu Junction. If you're crossing out from Starline, it's Emologu Junction. By your left, you can get Emologu. Then, as you can see, towards there is the Address Hotel and Suites, one of the big hotels in Abia at the moment. Although there is a competition right now. We have Ibiza at Okigwe that is doing absolutely very amazing infrastructures, amazing infrastructures or whatever. We have the Panyo Hotel, the Panyo Hotels and Resorts at Market Road by East. One of the I know it sounds crazy, but it's not Panyo, but it is Panyo.
Oh, Panyo.
Yeah, exactly. So still one of the actually standard hotels we have right now in Abia, Panyo, Address, Ibiza, and still also a few of them. So right now we are busting out to Eboh Junction.
Eboh Junction.
Yeah. So from Eboh Junction, by your right, you can actually head down to Ehere, where you can find people who sell building materials and all that. Then if we should if we should move straight down after the roundabout, bust out straight down, not by the right, we'll be heading to Obikabe Junction. Yeah. So let's just head on to Obikabe Junction and see what's happening down there, and just take a quick ride through and bust out and see where we would connect once again. So these are Eboh Junction right now that we are at. Right now is the road where you can bus down to Ehere by our right, but we are going straight down to Obikabe. Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
All these KK people, they're always in haste. I don't know why. Until they go bash person car, they go begin bleed. Sorry, this is my first time coming out this morning. My wife is in the hospital. I'm just rushing to gather some money and go and rescue her from the hospital. Beg, forgive me. That's the normal FM.
I don't know who owns this plaza. Montenegro, a friend of ours from Abia also. A young boy, he's doing very good. His house is still straight down this road also. Sam Montenegro, one of the young Abia boys is doing very good. We have lots of them who are doing very, very amazing in their own sectors, either in the line of fabrics, textiles.
Which town in Abia State got more of young millionaires?
I can't actually say. let me not. Let me not cause a controversy, you know. But
I think I believe that.
I can't. You can't actually tell.
I've been to Abia. Some people say, what's the name of that one? What's the name of that town? Very close to Abia.
Iberi or Hofia, which one?
Iberi and Hofia. Okay, some people say no Iberi. Yeah, some people say Iberi or something. But I think I've been to Abia then. So based on from what I've seen there in the village, almost, I said, man, these guys are great. These guys are wonderful. They're doing a lot. So guys, have you been to Abia before? If you have not been to Abia before, go to my channel. There's a video titled "This is a Village in Igbo Land, Abia." You'll be amazed by the kind of beauty this village got. So go check it out on my channel. You wanted to say something?
No. We are just busting out from Eboh Junction, then we headed to this Ehere Road. Now we're moving to Obikabe Junction. This is also called Omuola, if I'm to be correct. Omuola Road. This is Omuola Road right now that we are on. So from this Omuola Road, we can get to Obikabe Junction and then use a roundabout to connect to other places that we can, of course. Okay, This is the guy's house I was telling you about. A very young guy, also doing very good for himself.
That's a fine house.
Yeah. Owns a plaza close to that Okubo Junction, because the plaza is for selling, is for you to rent shop, and of course, you know, renting shop in a strategic area is a very very good business, you know. So. Right here in front of us is the Abia Junction. Abia Junction, yeah. Abia Junction, exactly. So take your right. Let's just move a little bit. Then we're going to take the turn and head to other areas.
Should go to right?
Yeah.
I can see street lights. I think the road is newly constructed or what?
Not so newly, but newly in terms of, yeah, not been more than 10 years, but
5 years?
probably. I think it was actually constructed by this recent governor, Eboh. Some people actually says that he constructed it because this road leads to his village or whatever. I don't know, but I'm not too sure. Let me not say what I'm not too sure of. So, after all, whether he constructed it for his village or whatever, right now we are using it, so it is of importance to all of us.
Sadly.
So let's not go too further, because straight down the road is start and it's all nice and good drainage this area. Let's just take a U-turn and head to the town. So let's just take a U-turn here.
Okay.
And head to other places. I think that's all for Eboh Hill for today, because we can't touch all the places in Eboh Hill. We have 7 Up, we have Eboh Road. Eboh is very very large, very big. You can't actually go to all the places. So let's try to touch other places. It will be impossible to actually touch all the strategic places in Abia, because Abia is not too big, but it's not too small. That's just the.
They look me. No, say before it's supposed. Let's slow down. Man, still look me. Right now, where we heading to?
Let's bust out to Eboh Road or to Azoka. Which one is preferred?
What about area?
Let's bust out to Azoka. Then from Azoka we can bust out to Azikiwe. Straight down to Eboh Hill to Azikiwe. Then, and from Azikiwe we can connect to Okigwe. From Okigwe it will be easier to connect to First Road, then Abia. That's my plan for the movement.
Fox Road is in the.
So don't take
straight
no
left.
If you move straight down, you'll be connecting to 7 Up and Eboh Road. So let's not go straight. Let's take
left. That's where we came from.
Yeah, exactly. No, not the same place we came from. We came to here. These are Abia. So it's like a V-shaped road. So let's take this route, go start to which is the easiest for us. Then straight down we can connect to.
That's Crunchies by my left hand side. Community restaurants, fast food restaurants in Nigeria. It's almost in every state in Nigeria.
So right now we are in Eboh Road.
Eboh Road.
Yeah. Eboh Road was actually popular for being also one of the notorious areas back then in Eboh Hill. Yeah. But it's calm now. It's no more as notorious as it used to be back then. I guess the OGs have grown up and lecturing the young guys to, of course,
to do better.
Yeah, to do better, not to follow the steps the steps they took in the past. So.
The future is bright. Good days ahead.
there was a time that there was a news about a POS girl that was gunned down. This is where her shop is. She was actually gunned down right here. So Ukebo Road has always been known, or Eboh Hill has always been known for being very notorious and.
So they gunned her down, took her money.
Yeah, she was gunned down. She operates a POS booth, and she was actually gunned down, and of course the money taken from her. Although they were actually caught, they were later caught afterwards. So opposite here is Aris Plaza, one of the oldest hotels in Abia. Aris Plaza Hotels is more than 50 years as far as I can remember, and on your left side is Way Coast Memorial Comprehensive Secondary School, one of also the big schools back then, Way Coast Memorial Secondary Schools. Most of them who graduated from the schools have turned out to be billionaires, doing very good in different careers. So I think Abia has actually groomed lots of millionaires, billionaires, and also Nishibo. So right now we are heading down to Waterside, and from Waterside we can take the next at the next junction. We will take our left to connect to straight down to Azikiwe. Those who know Abia very well knows that this is Waterside, and if you can look straight down, you will know this is the slaughterhouse, or where the slaughterhouse used to be before. But recently it's been moved to a different location because about a month ago or so, it will actually crashed down and killed lots of persons. Lots of lives were lost because of I believe the trailer failed break, and lots of lives were lost. And the governor gave an ultimatum that immediately all shops there should be evacuated, all the slaughterhouse there should be evacuated, and that was how, in an instant, within 24 hours, there is no more slaughterhouse
within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours, it was cleared within 24 hours.
Where did they go then now?
They were redirected
Did
to
the government provide
They were redirected to a different place. Like, I'm not actually too sure where they were redirected to, but they no more stay here. If not before, this is a like you can even see them from under the bridge taking their baths after they've done slaughtering some cows and all that. Cows do pass. Even the road where we are heading to right now is always kind of jam-packed due to the crowd coming to buy meat and all that. So that's why the governor also gave an ultimatum that because of the crowd there and because of how compact the road is for them to evacuate and move to a larger place. So
what did you say? Where did they come from?
They get plenty far, but if not for that one,
they are competing for something.
They get plenty far, but if not for that one, just don't even. And the funny part of it is is that they are all rough.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
No patience.
They are in haste. The competition is too high. So this is what I said.
Exactly.
Version 0.1.
Nigeria will never seem to stop to amaze me. This is Asepa, the bus that carries refuse. But they shouldn't be following this route because
It's not good.
it will be causing loss of traffic and all that. But this is Nigeria for you, bro. What they give us, we will take. So we're taking our left. This is straight down.
We should stop taking what they give us. So we should start demanding for what we want.
Then make sure you get your PVC.
Exactly.
Because this next election, the voice of the people matters a lot. counts. When all of us says our vote doesn't count, that gives the opposition party that is trying to loot us more opportunity to loot more.
Exactly.
But when you
We are there, my
put in
brother.
your vote,
It matters. It counts. We are there, my brother. Please, guys. Thank God you're not hearing it from my mouth.
get your PVC for the 2023 presidential election, both for the local government elections, the governorship elections. Get your PVC, not just on the presidential level, because development starts from local government areas.
Yes.
Let's vote who we believe is competent to do the job. So that's the story for another day, and right now we're heading straight down to Azikwe by East Junction. So from Azikwe by East Junction, we move straight down so we can connect to Okibe Road to ASU. And from Okibe, let's see if we can bust out to Fox Road and have a view of area ahead. It's very, very bad right now. I haven't been there for almost a year, and ahead the road has become very, very bad. So let's go and see how it looks right now, and inshallah, let's hope it's not as bad as
Okay.
not as bad as we think it is. So these streets that enters, we have the Hospital Road by East, Jubilee Road by East. Most of the people in textile from Abia who deals in textile, their shops are along this Jubilee Road by East and all that. So this is Azikwe by East Junction. So we take a right. If we are moving straight down, we can get Market Road. Banyu is just down there. The next junction, you can get Banyu, but we're not heading there for now. We're taking our right so we can post out to Okigwe through Azikwe. So yeah. You can get motor again. That's the pathetic state of Abia Road. Dibe.
This is the worst we have seen so far.
Unfortunately, this Azikwe Road, it is not as good as we want it to be. But recently, I don't know, the governor Abia, I don't know who awarded his contract. Roads tractors were brought and they dug up stuff and left it just that way. That's what we see in Abia. They will just be like, we are doing some project, blah blah blah. It will be that way for months, 2 months, 3 months. At least this has been this way for the past 3-4 months, as much as I can remember. And that's a very, very bad thing to do. You can't just dig up roads that you want to construct and just leave it that way. It's better you just leave it the way it was before.
You come over and do it.
So that's very bad. So right now we're in Azikwe Road.
The sports club seems like it's around here.
No. Don't worry, we still post out there so you can have a good view of it.
I think I've been there before. There do also park cars there, right?
I'm not too sure where you're referring to, but
And there's a lot of Chicken Republic here now, you know.
direction right now. Then if you move, if you go by your right, you'll be going back to Park Road, and from that Park, like, you really should do something very, very as soon as possible
before the rainy season comes.
And the rainy season is already here. That's the problem.
Because the rainy season is here, it's worse. And you can't construct. Nigerians don't construct during rainy season. Come to find out.
If you move towards my right, you can bust out to Park Road. So right now where we are in is Azikwe by Asa. Azikwe Road by Asa.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So when we cross over this junction, you can get those who sell tires, car tires and all that. That's majorly where to stay, and you keep moving straight out, so you can connect to Isugu and off to Akibu. You get plenty faba. Yakpa, Icho.
We're still not on time yet.
Azikwe Road. We're still on Azikwe Road here. I can ask you now about that. As you can see, the state of or the condition of the road in Abia is very, very bad. Very bad. What can we do? Why choose book of one
All the money these states, all the cities imagine you're in that city. On an Abia fight here.
Catholic Church, and by your left, near there is Manoma Sugar. That's where you can get their shop, and that's Market Road. If you should enter. So right now, you're headed to Wakibu, and straight down, you can actually bust out straight down through Isugu and connect to Meverton and also out to Factory Road. And opposite me by my right, you can That's Abia State Teaching Hospital. So, but right now we're heading to Okigwe.
Okay, so this is the Okigwe, the popular Okigwe road. So this rail, train is still passing through this road, right?
Yeah. That railway still actually works. Quite interesting, and it leaves once in 2 days, I think.
Yeah,
I think so. Heading to Port Harcourt and leaves by 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. I think it should be 1 p.m. That's when the train departs to Port Harcourt. And at a very, very cheap rate.
How much?
100 naira, 200 naira to Port Harcourt.
100 naira to Port Harcourt.
Yeah, I think it should be 100 or 200.
Okay, there is this vlog I've seen on a picture YouTuber by name David. The guy made a vlog about the train, so this thing was really interesting. But the stress there is something else. Like, I get to see a lot of stress. The train is just like basically like kind of hustle. So now I get it. It's very cheap, 100 naira for a trip. That's nice. That's nice. So we're still in Okigwe, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okigwe Road.
Is Ibiza Hotel and Resort.
Oh, this is the Ibiza.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
One of the top hotels here in Abia with great infrastructures, man.
Very classy. The interior decoration must be top notch.
Yeah.
From the outlook of the hotel, you can tell. Actually, Ibiza is already a brand, so I believe they will never disappoint. Guys, see now, Abba has a lot of, all these entertaining stuff these days. Also, hospitality, if I may say, good hospitality, and things that you use to cheer yourself up whenever you come around. So that's nice. Good to know about that. It also has nightclubs, right?
Yeah, they do for each standard, yeah. So straight down this way now, by your left, we'll be heading to Fox Road, then area direct, but we'll be taking our
Right.
should we try going to okay, let's take our right.
Since the road is not that good, or since the road is bad.
Now we'll be heading out to Brass Junction. So if we had gone straight down, we would connect to Fox Road and then area direct straight down that way. He also has another hotel in Okigwe also. So right now we're heading to Brass Junction.
Where?
Brass Junction. Brass Junction. The next junction is called Brass Junction.
Okay.
Yeah. So from this Brass Junction right now, if you take your left, you'll be heading down to Omongase, then also Siaman direct. Then if you head down by our right, is straight down to Eboh, straight down to Park, and also Factory also. to Abia, you must pass through these through that road. So one that road is of great importance.
What did you call the road?
Yeah.
Huh?
Listen,
What did you call the road?
from somewhere, from some places there is you like here right now is a Bras Junction. So when you keep heading down, you're connecting to Eboh Road and Sioma.
Cabo Road.
Yeah.
Cabo Road is not the major highway from. Let's say you're coming from Owerri.
That road is still called that's a highway, but this is just a road in. So this is Abia Poli. The man goes to the left side. You should have seen that.
That's like Marcus.
I want you to tell me now. I wanted us to go that way, but because of time, so we passed through here the last time.
So guys, that's the Abia Poli by my left hand side.
And that's not by your right hand side.
That's the slots
where you can get your new phones and
that's Chicken Republic. By the right hand side.
He was on that here by your right, by your left you said well the right. He was on that Abia Republic. You look at Abia North Local Government Headquarters.
Abia North Local Government.
That one you go and touch yours. Like he grew that brand for me in Eboh.
That one had to be in touch us and that Papa still only works in
I may say the best when you turn it into a franchise, but you can actually bring it here.
I think
and stay on the person who's on the percentage as the brand name.
I think the only people that knows about touch us are the residents in the
yes. But it's been spreading because people have visited people like you sit and they be like, let's go to touch us and eat. And you're surprised the quality of their food. It is very, very cheap, affordable, and very, very sumptuous. You understand? So, all for something up on a person visit to go that city, not an ordinary city. You would like to live and try it out.
Yeah,
you understand?
That's true. Like there is this supermarket that's from where everyday supermarket.
Yeah.
But now that supermarket is like almost all around Southeastern State. I've not seen it here in Abia yet. But I've seen it in Oka, I think in Enugu also. I've seen it in Anambra. It all started from where? But now there's a big company, it's a big brand now. Yeah, something like that is a nice idea. I think the owner of the Intouchables will be willing to have such franchise being, spread throughout the states.
The quality of your food must be up to standard before you be granted the permission, and you would make sure that your prices tally with whatever they are selling in so
not too pricey.
Same, because that's what keeps the franchise flowing.
Yes.
If not, maybe this one I will be selling cheaper because you feel that it's first thing, but you want to come and sell 100,000. So here about the railway, that railway that we are close to, it connects here, and where it loads is just straight down. If you just look by your left straight down, that's not too far from you. That's where the train loads. Look down.
Okay. Oh, see.
So this is Factory Road.
Where? Factory Road?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can still connect back from Ezugu by my right to Kibwe and Eboh, which was Regaga. Then at our front, there's Market Square. We have a shopping mall in Diamond. domino pizza by your left. The governor no say infrastructure.
Which governor said that?
It wasn't a budget progress on the government here. Last year, so that's not reason. But now there is a market square, there is domino pizza. What a missing government.
So this is still factory, right?
Yeah, no, so kita na iba na kita na pata, iba na pata na ba. This is
Patana.
No, pata, ana ko pata.
Bata.
Yeah.
Bata ni na apa?
Pata, sing pata ni, pata. Iba ba pata. Then I go straight down to back to back road. Yes, I'm happy in the Iga the other places because of we are taking our left because of battery life. So unfortunately I can't show you where I intended to show you because you are in a haste time because of the battery. So maybe there will be a nice time, inshallah.
So guys, I think the video we are going to be ending this video right here, and I believe you guys have seen how Abia looks like as of 2022, and I hope you guys were entertained as we are driving. So thank you so much for watching, and please to support this channel. You already know what to do. I will appreciate if you could share this video as much as you can, and also leave a comment at the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't done so. But most importantly, try to share so that other people can see, you know, their hometown and their homeland. Okay, so I appreciate that way you're supporting this channel. It's also a way of encouraging me to continue what I'm doing. Thank you so much once again, and thank you, Mr. Ray, for doing this one with me. I appreciate you so much for your time. I know say you get so many things, business we're supposed to do now. You say make sure you do this one with me, so I appreciate you a lot. So guys, I will talk to you when next time I upload. God, peace out. I say them all welcome on this thing. One minute.
Welcome again.
Ben the hell again.
All the way late, check again, but the video and I live got a joint now.
Yes, so this.
I'm one of you got a joint. It's a good edition now.
We can open car and get.